Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to walk you through how to add another account in Instagram. So if you want to add and use multiple Instagram accounts on your device, keep watching this video because it is incredibly easy to add another account on Instagram and the process is pretty much the same for both Android and iOS devices. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, you want to open up your Instagram app, and then what you want to do is go over to your profile, so tap this profile picture on the bottom right side of the screen. And then when you are on this screen, what you want to do next is tap on those three lines at the top right corner, and then go to your settings. When you are here, scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see, there is an option to add or switch accounts, so tap on that. And you can see that I already have a bunch of Instagram accounts. So what you want to do is tap on this Add Account button over here. And then you can log into an existing account or create a new account. So if you want to create a brand new account, simply tap on this Create New Account option over here. And now you can type in a username for your account. And then type in a password. And then you can let Instagram use your main Instagram account email and phone number for this brand new account. Or you can add a new phone or email, so I am just going to tap on this Complete Sign Up button over here, and that will use my main account email for this brand new account. And now you can find your Facebook friends to follow. I am just going to skip that. You can add a profile photo. I am also going to skip that. And there you have it. You've now added a new Instagram account. So you can switch accounts by going to your profile and tapping on this downward arrow, and then selecting any account that you want to switch to. That's it, it's quick and easy. If you have any questions about all of this, let me know in the comments below. If not, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.